Do you remember those days when you could walk for hours, run after your grandkids, or simply enjoy an afternoon stroll without thinking twice? If you're anything like me, those memories are precious. And as the years pass, keeping our bodies strong becomes more and more important. Here's something I wish someone had told me years ago. There's a single, essential vitamin that can help keep your legs strong, even into your 90s. Yes, you heard me right. 94 and still walking tall. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll let you in on this simple but powerful secret. Think about it. Our legs carry us through life's journey. Whether it's dancing at your granddaughter's wedding or enjoying a slow walk with an old friend, strong legs mean freedom. But as we age, muscle strength can fade. The good news? There's hope, and it just might be sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. The vitamin I'm talking about is vitamin D. That's right, good old vitamin D. Most people know it as the sunshine vitamin, but it does so much more than just boost your mood. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones dense and muscles working smoothly. Without enough of it, our muscles can weaken, our balance can slip, and even our independence can be at risk. Now, you might be wondering, am I getting enough? Truth is, most older adults aren't. As we age, our skin doesn't produce vitamin D as efficiently from sunlight, and our diets may not fill the gap. That's why so many doctors recommend a vitamin D supplement, especially for those of us over 60. Imagine being able to rise from your chair with ease, take a confident step, and trust your legs to carry you wherever you want to go, even at 94. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. A little boost of vitamin D each day can help make that possible. So here's my heartfelt advice. Talk to your doctor about your vitamin D levels, spend a little time in the sunshine, and consider a supplement if you need it. Your future self will thank you every step of the way. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your story. Have you noticed a difference in your strength or mobility? Drop a comment below and share your journey. Let's inspire each other to stay strong, independent, and full of life, no matter our age. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're never too old to take that next strong